Apple cider vinegar. It's been hailed as a miracle tonic, a fat-burning elixir, and even a cure-all for everything from bloating to blood sugar issues. But how much of the hype is actually backed by science? Can this tangy liquid really help you lose weight, or is it just another wellness trend with more buzz than substance? Well, in today's video, we'll dive deep into the research, the real-life experiences, and the biological mechanisms behind apple cider vinegar, also known as ACV. We'll explore how it works in the body, what studies have to say about its effects on metabolism and appetite, and how you can use it safely in your own health journey. But before we begin, if you're someone who loves practical wellness tips and simple science-backed advice, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way, you won't miss any of our weekly videos designed to help you live a healthier, more energized life naturally. So, what is apple cider vinegar, really? First, let's talk about what apple cider vinegar actually is. It's made through a two-step fermentation process. Crushed apples are exposed to yeast, which ferments the sugars and turns them into alcohol. Then, specific bacteria are added to convert the alcohol into acetic acid, the main active ingredient in vinegar. This acetic acid is what gives vinegar its sour taste and strong smell. It's also believed to be responsible for most of its health benefits. In raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar, you'll also see something called the mother, a cloudy, stringy substance that contains enzymes, proteins, and good bacteria that develop during fermentation. Now, let's talk about the weight loss hype. So, where did the weight loss claim come from? Part of it is tradition. Apple cider vinegar has been used for centuries in folk medicine to treat everything from indigestion to infections. But more recently, a few small but intriguing studies have suggested it might play a role in fat burning and appetite control. One of the most cited studies comes from Japan. In 2009, researchers published a 12-week study in a journal that involved 175 overweight but healthy individuals. The participants were split into three groups. One took a drink containing 1 tablespoon of vinegar, another took 2 tablespoons, and the last group took none. The results? Both vinegar groups saw a reduction in body weight, body fat percentage, and waist circumference, albeit modest. The control group didn't. Another small study found that people who consumed vinegar with high-carb meals felt fuller for longer and ended up consuming fewer calories throughout the day. So, how it works in your body? Apple cider vinegar may affect weight and metabolism in several ways. First, acetic acid appears to suppress enzymes that digest starch, which may reduce blood sugar spikes and insulin levels after meals. Stable blood sugar levels can lead to fewer cravings and less fat storage. Second, ACV may delay gastric emptying, meaning food stays in your stomach a bit longer, helping you feel full. That extended sense of satiety can naturally lead to eating less without forcing yourself to restrict calories. Third, some animal studies suggest that acetic acid can boost the expression of genes involved in fat oxidation. In plain language, it might help your body burn fat more efficiently. While this is promising, keep in mind that most of these studies are done on mice, and humans are a bit more complicated. While ACV may offer small, supportive benefits for weight management, it's not a magic potion. Drinking a tablespoon of vinegar won't cancel out a diet high in processed foods or a sedentary lifestyle. Think of it as a helpful tool, not a miracle cure. Many nutritionists suggest that the best results come when apple cider vinegar is combined with other healthy habits: balanced eating, regular movement, quality sleep, and stress management. That's when you'll start to see changes that are both real and sustainable. Here's how to use apple cider vinegar safely. If you're curious to try apple cider vinegar for yourself, here's how to do it right. Most experts recommend starting with 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon in a large glass of water, taken before meals once or twice a day. Never drink it straight. It's highly acidic and can damage your tooth enamel or irritate your throat. To protect your teeth, consider drinking it through a straw and rinsing your mouth afterward. And if you have a sensitive stomach, acid reflux, or any medical conditions, it's a good idea to talk to your doctor before starting any new supplement, even one as common as ACV. You can also incorporate it into your diet through food. Add a splash to salad dressings, marinades, or homemade sauces. This way, you're getting the benefits without the intensity of drinking it directly. Other potential benefits of ACV? Beyond weight loss, apple cider vinegar has been linked to other health perks. Some research suggests it may help lower cholesterol, improve insulin sensitivity, and support gut health due to its probiotic content, especially when it's raw and unfiltered. There's also growing interest in its antimicrobial properties. Historically, it's been used as a natural disinfectant and food preservative. Some people even use diluted vinegar as a skin toner, though, again, this should be done with caution. Outside of the lab, there are countless anecdotal stories of people claiming that apple cider vinegar changed their lives. From reducing sugar cravings to helping with bloating, people have reported subtle but noticeable changes after adding it to their daily routine. Of course, these stories are personal and vary widely, but they speak to something many of us feel, that even small changes in our routine can lead to big shifts over time. Now, here's the conclusion. So, can apple cider vinegar really help you lose weight? The answer is maybe. The science shows modest benefits when used alongside healthy lifestyle choices. It won't replace a good diet or exercise, but it might give you that extra edge, especially when it comes to curbing cravings, improving digestion, and supporting metabolic health. If you decide to try it, remember to start slow, be consistent, and most importantly, listen to your body. Before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We're always sharing simple, natural tips to help you feel your best every single day. Thanks for watching, and here's to small changes that make a big difference. See you in the next video.